Before the all-on technology was around, typically patients would be dealing with dentures. The problem is that you can't chew the same with dentures. In fact, when you compare chewing efficiency of dentures to natural teeth, it's somewhere around 20%. And some studies, I think, even show that it's lower than that. That's what makes implant technology so life-changing. If you're in a situation where you're needing dentures, or if you currently have dentures that are not working well for you, you're having pain or you can't function, they're moving around, call us for a consultation. Let us take a look at you. Let us go over those options with you, the implant options with you, especially the all-on technology. This can be an extremely life-changing experience for patients. They can smile, they can function, they can eat almost anything that they want. No pain, it's not pressing in on the tissues or anything like that. When we start that process and we actually do the surgery, we can do that all in one day. We can do all of that here. We don't have to send patients on to an oral surgeon or to a specialist, a prosthodontic specialist or anything. We can do all of that here. It will dramatically change your life.